So one of our shop projects here at Ace Customs Racing is our 350z twin turbo. We acquired the car a number of years ago. It was a road-going twin turbo APS 350z, but we did a host of upgrades on it after that. Unfortunately, about 2 years ago, it was involved in the Edenvale floods, and the car was completely submerged in water and basically lost to the floods. Everybody told me to forget the project, leave it, the car's never salvageable. But because of the memories attached to the car, the fun we'd had in the car, it's actually my wife's car, I decided to buy the car back. What we're doing now is rebuilding the car as an out-and-out track car. I've termed the project the Franken Z because we're resurrecting it from the mud. We've gone all out on the project.